Good afternoon, everyone. Pine Acres RV here in Moncton, coming to you with the owner's personal vehicle that's now up for sale. We got ourselves a 2018 Lincoln Navigator with the reserve package, Pkg.J2L, something like that. Folks, under 39,000 kilometers in pristine condition. It is prepped to be towed behind your motorhome. This unit has spent a couple winters in Florida. It does have the 3M film up front. See that line right there? So that is removable if you wish to do so. It does have the power steps. This is a 7-passenger. It's got the 3.5 liter V6. Supercharged. Let me open up some doors. It's got the power folding mirrors. Folks, I do believe it has the original tires on it. They're 285 45R22s. Monsters. Okay, I'm gonna go as quickly as I can, but there's so much to cover. Power memory seating. These seats do everything. That tilts, that goes up, this squeezes your body. So if you're fat or skinny, no problem. It'll adjust. Oh, I don't know if you can see that in the screen. Ah, yes you can. Heads up display, folks. See the kilometers? 38,819 kilometers. Adjustable cruise control. Oh yeah. Power tailgate, power adjustable pedals, power tilt steering and telescopic. If you do want to tow something, there's your electric brake. Push button start. Beautiful screen here with nav, of course. That's how you shift it from park, reverse, neutral, drive. Heated seats, cooled seats. USB connections here, cup holder here. Folks, look at the size of this sunroof. Awesome. Home link system. Here's a quick look at the passenger side. Again, you can adjust that seat as you wish. Out back, I'm not sure if these screens were ever used. The owner doesn't have any kids. Maybe the dogs watch the watch the movies on the way. Oh yeah, this middle row seats, there's some more seats back here. These are power operated. And these seats, they're power operated. You press a button and they flip over. How about a power lift gate, folks? Here's your 3rd row seating. Here's all the power release buttons. You got a 12-volt connection here, USB connection here. Oh yeah, these seats in the back, you can adjust the tilt on them too. Now folks, on a personal note, I will say this. Never been much of a Ford guy until I owned a couple of motorhomes with the Ford chassis, the Ford V10, and then I had a couple of trucks, and then I had to get it serviced. Well, let me tell you, first off, Ford trucks, you still won't sell me a Ford Focus or a Fusion. However, their trucks, their SUVs, to me, second to none. Going into Taylor Ford for their service, incredible. What a bunch of great guys and gals working over there, taking really good care of you. So folks, if you do like what you're seeing, we don't normally sell these things. We like to sell these guys. A few motorhomes here and there once in a while. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. Hope to see you soon.